Justin Vakula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at the Battery Point Trail. This is a stop on the trail known as the beach. See this beach area down below. In the back, various trees and mountains. There's a misty effect on top and some of the side of the mountains. This is Haines, Alaska, one of the stops on the Ruby Princess cruise. Nice to take a stop here. It's a free walking trail. See more mountains, some of the snow at the top. Getting closer, looks like a rock slide or some trail going down. Many others approaching on this side as well. They call this a beach, and the rocks at the bottom are a little bit sandy in some sense. Where I walk and my feet are going down, it's a little bit squishy, and see various maybe seagrass or kelp on the side. Looks like some shell-like features or different types of rocks. Much different in Alaska compared to Caribbean beaches for sure. Purple flowers in the back, more of the trees. Some trees down acting as benches on the side. And further back, you see more of the fog, more of the mountains. And a little bit closer up. You can zoom in here for the video, see the snow-capped mountains at the top. It's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, recording in late July 2025. More foliage on the right. See the tops of some of these flowers. And more trees falling. Looks like some buoys at sea. Too cold to swim, I'm sure, but maybe some boats coming through or by. It's not too long of a walk from the cruise port to get to here. It's nice that that's an option. No need for a paid tour, just walking and going on your own terms, going your own way. And more of the mountains in the back. Get another view, 360 view with this Insta360 X4 camera. The cruise will continue, have a stop at Juneau, Alaska, so stay tuned for some videos and content from there. A day at sea, Victoria, British Columbia, and then back to San Francisco. So far, a nice experience on the Ruby Princess cruise ship. Of 3,000 guests on board, a lot getting off the ship today at 11 a.m. local time. Justin Vakula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.